Okay, we got this full 3-inch stainless exhaust from JT Racing or Martelius. I think is what it's called. It's in Sweden, I believe. So full 3-inch from the turbo back. They sell a 16T straight flange, 16, 19T, whatever it is. They sell straight flange, angled flange, and then the stock 13C rounded one. Comes with an O2 here. Would be nice if they did 202s for a wideband, because I'm gonna have to pop one in here. The shipping packaging is probably the worst I've ever seen. It's just basically they threw it all in a box. It's always something. This box is blowing apart. Who knows what's come out of there. There was clamps falling out of the box. Totally damaged on this end. I hope it's all here. That sucks. This exhaust looks really nice, but this packaging is a joke. Just toss it all in there. It'll be fine. It's only coming from Sweden. A bunch of the ends. Here's the muffler. Just completely rolled over. Not very happy about that. But what are you gonna do? Maybe they'll give me a freaking discount or something. I'm not sending it back. So we got straight through just to one muffler. And then this should all just bolt on. We hope. But this is about 1,300 Canadian to the door, which isn't crazy. The shipping was basically the price of the exhaust. So if you live in Europe, smoking deal. I've never stainless TIG welded before, but we're gonna try and toss a bung in this exhaust pipe. So we'll see how that goes. So I have a TIG welder here, bottle of argon. We're gonna try and set this thing up for DC TIG, which is what you want for stainless. And we're gonna see how hard this is to do if you've never done it before. First things first though, we need to drill a little hole. Well, a big hole. Probably put it on the underside just so you can't see how ugly it is. Get yourself a little stainless O2 bung. Pop a hole in there. Perfection. All right. Okay, we got the machine set up super low amperage. Oh God, I wish I had a piece of test metal. Okay, people, we got our first stainless TIG weld. She ain't pretty, but I think it's sealed. We're gonna toss this bad boy in. Okay, here's what we're working with stock. Absolutely nothing special. Let's swap it out. You know, I don't think I've ever had this much resistance to a car in a long, long time. I can't get the nut off the bottom. The nut's threads have given out. I don't know, you know? What are you gonna do? I guess this exhaust is gonna be garbage. I'm about 2.5 hours into this one bolt. But you know, down pipe. All right. At least we got this out. Oh my God. I better be able to get that bolt out. Okay, people, we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna have a little weight reduction as well. This thing's a heavy unit. This freaking exhaust better be worth it. All right, now we can begin. We're back at stage 0. Okay, because I want to win and I messed up the downpipe and I'm trying to rethread the O2 sensor because, you know, I'm going to start from the back, start get it installed. Hopefully that means it'll go on and I won't want to burn the car. But let's slap it in, see what it's all about. Oh, I hope this all just slides on right in. Fire the old girl up. We got the last clamp for the money shot here. Flush with the bumper. Woo! That's a cannon! Jesus! Okay, we basically hook up the O2 sensors and we can fire it up. Woo! God, this car is an absolute emotional tidal wave on my life. Get the wide band here. This is a super sick exhaust. Minus the packaging, it's very nice bolt-on. Oh, the 102 sensor I put on is very close to the oil filter. It's a little scary, but what are you gonna do? Oh, you mother. I don't care. O2s aren't gonna melt. I think we're good. Calling it. Let's see what it sounds like. Hope it's not too loud. I think it might be too loud. Pretty perfect, I think. I don't think we're leaking. If we are, it's going to be out of this monstrosity. Nah, I think we're good. Alright, I'm going to clean up, and then we're going to take it for a spin. I'm going to tape this to my bumper, and hopefully it doesn't fall. exhaust can make that much of a difference. That is crazy. It chirps second gear now. Yeah. Nothing. I feel like I just got 50 horsepower. The Flying Bricks chips that I just got in the mail, they still don't work. Go figure. So my rev limiter is still 6,200. The gear ratio on a T5 is actually pretty nice. I can do almost 150 in third gear. This thing is a freaking blast now. Woo! Wow, this is definitely the most satisfying install that I've done. Wow! Fuck yes, dude. I get that decel noise. The T5 is so loud. Oh, this exhaust sounds great. I actually feel like this thing could drift now and do a track day. Before, with the stock exhaust, it just didn't seem feasible. It didn't seem like there was enough power. But now in boost, it definitely just wants to party. A chirping second gear on a 17-inch brand new sticky tire. Gorgeous. No drone at all. FRs are pretty good still. It's a little rich in the boost, but I mean, we're still on stock chips. Basically just need to figure this out and then we'll be ready to rage.